the setting in some sort of more.
Why would I care?
Very nice. Oh, what happens?
Why do I care? You're gonna get it back, aren't you?
But you're gonna yell at me.
Why would I yell?
Because you're a yell person. You always yell at me.
A Calcifer.
He is so adorable.
What?
So is a symbol.
The fuck is that?
You like the book back? You like the book back?
Different every night.
Oh no!
Certain policies so that you can look on more favorably in the
Hot potato.
No, you already screwed up big time. A lot of dead Jews.
Am I a blue state or a red state hobo?
Blue, but Midwest
Hot potato.
blue. Just hold out.
Am I allowed to?
You're trying to make Hitler work.
Am I allowed to kill other hobos to increase my odds?
Tell anyone you like, you're a hobo. Am I a walking hobo? No. Quagmire and Cleveland are, but you're not. So what? I would also be
Hot
a
potato.
paralyzed Hitler. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Hitler?
Yes. No. Oh, well, wait a minute. Now, how come I gotta be crippled Hitler and he's still white Hitler?
You have such a problem with it, Joe. Just be a hobo.
This one isn't very fun.
Wait a minute. Where are we?
Yeah, this doesn't look like...
Get more in my eye! Baby!
I hope not. These back
We gotta save
deep south
him.
ain't a place you want to get lost in. Oh, no.
Don't worry about it, guys.
The girly girl has been a good girl.
Come on! There you go. You gotta see it. You gotta see it. You gotta lay. Now you gotta speak. 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 Jump. Sit. Lay. Speak. You want it? You want it? How bad you want it? How bad you want it? Lay. You want it? Okay.
It's torture. Why are you doing that to him?
Do you want them?
I just hit him in the face. There you go.
Yum. Hey, look.
Calcifer!
Hey. 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 So you're not gonna buy the cage?
Huh?
I need to tell him.
Who?
The guy on Craigslist.
Is that 40?
Yeah. He said he really needs $40. I tried to reason.
And it's everything?
There's like a ton of stuff on it, but we just need the it comes with the top and everything. But you don't have to, I can keep looking. Hmm?
I don't know.
It comes up with a stand and everything, but we don't need a stand, we have one. I mean, $40 for a stand and everything is a good price, but I'm sure you wouldn't use the stand. What? No. You want it? Oh, good girl. Leave him alone.
Get the phone. Did you get the bone?
Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it.
I can talk to you, say drop it.
So we're making what we call a screwdriver. And I just now unpacked my bag from Warped Tour, and there is a thong on the table. There you go. And there's Vader. Sniffing my toes and then running off. Okay, so this is what we call a screwdriver. Smell it. Ta-da! What? You want a hoop? I think Vader wants to hoop. This is my best friend. You wanna get brushed? You wanna get brushed? Yeah. Wow. You wait to get brushed. That's it. You want to go to bed? You want to go to bed?